Hi, my name is Seky, and on this channel, guys, we do nursing, homemaking, and lifestyle videos. So if this is the type of content that you like, guys, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, guys, so that you know whenever I upload a new video on this platform. Anyway, guys, today is Saturday, and I'm home. I'm going to work, and planning, guys, to cook a well budgeted breakfast. I just want to start by a $5 breakfast budget. So I have put aside $5, guys, that I'm going to use to buy the things that I'm going to cook for breakfast. It's just a trial and error, guys. I just want to see how much can we eat with this $5 budget that I have. We are a family of 5, right? My husband, myself, and our 3 kids. So if we can give each one of us $1, Timbonoti, is it worth sharing the $5 and each one is going to get $1? This $5, and let's just compare, guys, with that $5, with that dollar that each and every one of us gets. Like, let me just give an example. As for my husband, obviously he's going to buy a plate of salad. Maybe he's the one who is going to benefit much more from that dollar. As for Joe and Tino, maybe they are going to buy some fresh chips or some burgers or some hot dogs. Then for Kimberly, obviously she's going to go for the sweets, the jiggies, or something that is, kids, they like all that. But as for me, maybe I'm going to buy a fruit, maybe an apple and some bananas. Like 2 apples and 3 bananas. I just want to compare how much do we benefit if we eat from a family pot than to share this $5 amongst us.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice.
So guys, these are the things that I'm going to use for breakfast. I bought dairy milk for $1. This is dairy for dairy milk for $1. This is a premium soft loaf from Baker's Inn for $1. I got these eggs, $1 for 6. Then I also got some pork, $2. Then I bought some potatoes, sorry. They were $1 for 5, but I'm going to use 2 of them. Then I also bought onions and tomatoes, 50 cents, but I'm going to use 2 tomatoes and 1 onion. And as for the carrots, I had them already in the house. And I am also going to use these are the additionals that I'm going to use to make breakfast. I have some tea bags, this Royco Savvy mix, then buttercup spread or buttercup margarine. Then I have Zim Gold cooking oil. I have this salt and some sugar there. Then some curry powder for my pork. So these are the things that I'm going to use, guys, for breakfast. Just want to see how much can we use for us to have a bit of healthy breakfast. I'm going to get some spinach from my garden and to add on some bit of vegetables, some greens. So I just want to see, guys, how much do we use for breakfast for a family of 5. So this is so that we can make a budget, guys. From that, it helps us, guys, to make a budget titimboona kuti for a month how much do we use for breakfast.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of the clouds when I'm with you, I can see my life. When I'm with you, just give a little bit of your heart. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.
Juju, buya. Poto iri zvirimo inomuisira huku mune masadza nemanhanga.
I don't think about you. To be honest, I got better things to do. To be honest, I don't care that we're over. Been fine since you told me you don't love me anymore. To be honest, I like sleeping alone. Yeah, I'm totally okay on my own. I don't even need your arms around me. I don't need you to tell me it's gonna be alright, my love. You think I'm lying to myself, but the truth is I don't need you. 'Cause I'm one in a million
So while my food is cooking, guys, I'll take this opportunity to clean my kitchen. I'll just wipe the cabinets using hand and water, as well as clean the floors. Sometimes I just rearrange the cabinets, guys, and put everything in order. This is the only time, guys, that I use to make my kitchen clean, because I don't have time, guys, for that, like having enough time to focus on cleaning, because of time. I'm always busy and I'm always not around the home. So that is it, guys. I don't know with you guys, how do you manage it, but this is for me.
I don't miss you. To be honest, I don't miss you. To be honest, I don't miss you. But I'm lying to myself, 'cause the truth is I still need you. You're one in a million. That means I'll never find another you can. To be honest, I miss you. 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 To be honest, I miss you.
So guys, this is it. I'm done cooking, and this is what we are going to eat. Unfortunately, we could not find brown bread, but yeah, this is what it is. We have some meat there, cup of tea, some fried eggs, and this whole plate of everything. There are some carrots, onions, tomatoes, spinach, and boiled potatoes. So that's it, guys. You beat the charges. Anyway, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Hey, you couldn't see it coming. You might have thought